Building computers helped these middle school students build confidence.
It proves how smart you can be and that the fact that if you can build your own, you actually can handle your own.
It's a cool feeling because we didn't think that we could do all of this with all the wiring and stuff.
They grew up touching technology, but not this way.
There's a power source connected with a lightning bolt.
Thanks to a donation of Piper computer kits, this is their first time handling a lesson in tech behind the screen.
We don't usually have a lot of hands-on stuff for them to work with.
At first I thought STEM was just math and science, but now it's really hands-on and interacting and actually getting into this.
I think it opens their eyes to other possibilities.
To going to the business of working with computers like Google or Microsoft.
The founder of Piper came up with the idea only 3 years ago after he was struggling to bring computers to underprivileged children in India.
And the premise was, okay, if we teach them how to build their computers, then getting the infrastructure of computers to the towns won't be as expensive. We've had schools that have used Piper for the entire semester because it is a computer that you can build more things upon, you can 3D print from it.
The goal is to demystify technology, integrating games like Minecraft to teach coding.
I like engineering, and that's a very plausible career I could take in the future.
In Hawthorne, I'm Stephanie Abrams for Circa.